Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open an account in Interactive Brokers Canada. First, you'll need to gather your essential documents. This includes a valid government-issued ID, like your passport or driver's license, and proof of your current address, such as a recent utility bill. Don't forget to have your social insurance number handy, as it's required for tax reporting. Having these ready will streamline your application process significantly. Once your documents are prepared, navigate to the Interactive Brokers Canada website to begin the online application. You'll fill out a comprehensive form detailing your personal and financial information. Carefully upload your identification and proof of address documents through their secure portal. After submission, the verification process typically takes a few business days, so patience is key during this stage. After your account is approved, you'll select your desired account type, whether it's an individual, joint, or registered account like an RRSP or TFSA. Next, you'll need to fund your account. Interactive Brokers offers several convenient funding options, including bank wire transfers and electronic funds transfers. While some accounts have no minimum funding, others might require a specific initial deposit, so check the details for your chosen account. With your account funded, you're ready to explore the powerful Interactive Brokers trading platform. Take some time to familiarize yourself with its extensive features, analytical tools, and various order types. You can then confidently begin placing trades across a wide range of investment products, from stocks and options to futures and foreign exchange. Remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals to enhance your everyday comfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.